Ever wonder why your kidneys never seem to get the spotlight? Unlike your heart or lungs, they work tirelessly behind the scenes. But these quiet achievers are superstars. They act like a complex filter, cleaning waste products out of your blood, keeping your blood pressure stable, and balancing your fluids. Amazing, right? Well, just like superheroes have weaknesses, your kidneys do too. Certain foods, often disguised as healthy choices, can sneakily damage these vital organs. Ready to ditch the drama and learn about the top 10 sneaky culprits that might be harming your kidneys? Let's dive in. Number 1. Milk. We all know milk has been touted for its ability to build strong bones since childhood. But for your kidneys, it might not be all sunshine and rainbows. Milk is packed with calcium, phosphorus, and protein, all essential nutrients for strong bones, healthy muscles, and cell repair. However, too much of a good thing can be bad. High levels of these minerals can disrupt the delicate balance in your kidneys, potentially leading to kidney stones over time. Imagine tiny jagged crystals forming in your urinary tract. Ouch! To avoid this painful situation, consider limiting your milk intake or opting for lower potassium alternatives like almond milk or lactose-free milk. Number 2. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. A creamy, delicious spread loved by many for its versatility and taste. It's a perfect protein and healthy fat addition to sandwiches, snacks, and even smoothies. But for those with kidney concerns, the high phosphorus content can be a sneaky villain. Weak kidneys struggle to remove excess phosphorus from the bloodstream, and peanut butter can overload this system. Too much phosphorus can lead to a buildup of waste products in the blood, which can weaken bones and cause other health problems. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding your own health and dietary needs is key. If you love peanut butter, enjoy it in moderation or explore other nut and seed butters lower in phosphorus, like sunflower seed butter or cashew butter. Number 3. Apricots. Apricots are a delightful treat bursting with vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and immunity. They also boast a good amount of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps fight off illness. However, their high potassium content can pose a challenge for people with kidney issues, especially those struggling to maintain healthy potassium levels in their blood. This is especially true for dried apricots, where the potassium concentration is significantly higher due to the removal of water content. If you have kidney problems, moderation is key, or consider alternative fruits lower in potassium like berries or apples. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, a vibrant and versatile ingredient, add a punch of flavor to countless dishes. They are a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. But be aware, just 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain a significant amount of potassium, reaching up to 728 milligrams. While tomatoes are delicious and a source of essential nutrients, there are delightful alternatives for those needing to manage their potassium intake. Explore roasted red pepper sauce for a lower potassium option that boasts a similar flavor profile. Roasted red peppers also offer a good dose of vitamin C, making them a healthy substitute. Number 5. Pickles. We all love a good pickle, that satisfyingly crunchy and tangy addition to sandwiches, burgers, and even charcuterie boards. But for your kidneys, they might not be the best buddy. Pickles are packed with sodium, thanks to the pickling process that preserves them and adds that signature salty flavor. This high sodium content can lead to various health problems, including high blood pressure and kidney stones. High blood pressure can put a strain on your kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter your blood. So maybe enjoy pickles in moderation and explore other flavorful options like pickled onions or fermented vegetables, which can offer a similar tangy kick with a lower sodium content. Number 6. Oranges. Oranges, a juicy source of vitamin C, might not be the best choice for everyone, especially those with kidney disease. We all know vitamin C is a powerful immune booster, helping our bodies fight off colds and flu. However, the high potassium content in oranges, particularly in orange juice, can be risky for people with kidney disease. The kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess potassium from the blood, and when they're compromised, this can lead to a buildup of potassium in the bloodstream, which can disrupt heart rhythm and cause muscle weakness. The good news? There are plenty of delicious alternatives. Grapes, apples, and cranberries are all lower in potassium and can quench your thirst for a refreshing treat. These fruits are also packed with antioxidants and other essential vitamins and minerals. Number 7. Potatoes. Both regular and sweet potatoes are popular and nutritious choices, boasting complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins. They're a filling and versatile ingredient, perfect for everything from mashed potatoes to French fries. However, their potassium content can be a concern for those with kidney issues. A medium-sized baked potato can deliver around 610 milligrams of potassium, and sweet potatoes aren't far behind with roughly 542 milligrams. But don't despair, potato lovers. A simple trick called leaching can come to the rescue. Soaking potatoes in cold water before cooking can significantly reduce their potassium content by up to 20%. Here's the magic. As the potatoes soak, some of the potassium dissolves into the water. The longer you soak them, the more potassium is removed. This double cook method involves boiling the potatoes whole with the skins on for a few minutes, then draining and letting them cool slightly. After cooling, chop the potatoes and cook them according to your recipe. Number 8. Chocolate. Chocolate, the irresistible treat that transcends age and culture, can be a double-edged sword for kidney health. While it's tempting to indulge in a decadent piece of cake or a creamy cup of hot cocoa, the unhealthy fats in chocolate, particularly saturated fat, can negatively impact cardiovascular health, a significant concern for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. A buildup of unhealthy fats in the bloodstream can lead to clogged arteries and increased blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Moderation is key. Opt for dark chocolate with a higher cocoa content, at least 70%, as it boasts more health benefits and less sugar. Enjoy a small square or two to satisfy your cravings without overloading your system. Number 9. Canned soups. Canned soups often seem like a quick and healthy option, especially during busy times. They're convenient, shelf-stable, and come in a variety of flavors. But be wary. While the label might boast low sodium, the hidden villain might be potassium. Many canned soups contain high levels of potassium, which can be dangerous for people with weakened kidneys. Remember, our kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess potassium from the blood. When kidney function is compromised, this can lead to a buildup of potassium, causing irregular heartbeat, muscle weakness, and even cardiac arrest in severe cases. So, the next time you're reaching for a can of soup, give it a closer look. Read the label carefully and choose options lower in potassium and sodium. There are also healthier alternatives you can explore, like homemade soups made with fresh ingredients or frozen vegetable soup options that allow you more control over the sodium and potassium content. Number 10. Red meat. Red meat is a great source of protein, iron, and other essential nutrients. It can be a satisfying addition to a balanced diet. However, too much red meat can be a burden on your kidneys. Excess protein intake forces your kidneys to work overtime to filter out waste products produced during protein breakdown. This can put a strain on their function over time, potentially accelerating the decline of kidney health. Moderation is key. Explore other protein sources that are gentler on your kidneys, like fish, beans, lentils, and poultry. Fish is a particularly good choice as it's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which offer anti-inflammatory benefits and can help protect your heart and kidneys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.